Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make a girl voice in your voice mode. So I will press enter. So here, to make a girl's voice in your voice mode, you have to install the voice mode in your PC, then you have to open, then go to the voice changer, then you have to hear yourself and edit it to the bottom, and from there you have to go to the filter. From there you have to change, so you will be, by doing experiment you can just change it. Okay, so here we can see tutorials also available. You can just see there's some other videos also. So here the image you can see, so you can just follow the settings. Okay, pitch at 100, sorry, max at 100, pitch at 75, and your intelligibility your 100. That's it. You have to add this and follow this custom voice, so it will be your female voice. This is how we can just do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.